Want to learn how to connect Facebook page to Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. And I'm already into my Facebook page. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on Instagram below people and other pages. Tap on connect account on the bottom. If you want to allow access to Instagram message and inbox or even choose Instagram message settings, you can tap on confirm on the bottom. Now you need to get logged in, so I'm going to switch account by tapping on the switch account and then enter my phone number or username. You can also do the same to connect it to your Facebook page and then enter your password. When you're done, tap on login below. Tap on not now to disallow saving the login info. So you can see that it's being loaded. Just wait for it. And yes, you can see that your Instagram has been connected. You have successfully linked the Facebook page to your Instagram. So this is how you do it. Tap on OK on the bottom. And yes, you have successfully connected both of the accounts. This is it. You can see that on the top. That's an Instagram account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.